Welcome to our video on multiplying and dividing with scientific notation. So this is actually a lot easier than adding and subtracting. In order to multiply values in scientific notation, we can just rearrange the multiplication problem because of the commutative property of multiplication. So we know that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, so we can just kind of rearrange the problem. And then that will help us because all we need to do is apply the laws of exponents. So in this very first example that we see here, let me go ahead and get my pointer out. 4 and 5 tenths times 10 to the 5th times 2 times 10 to the 3rd. What we would do here is we would rearrange it so that we have our regular numbers being multiplied by each other. So 4 and 5 tenths times 2 times, then now we're going to multiply our powers of 10. So 10 to the 5th times 10 to the 3rd. And again, we're able to do this because we can rearrange multiplication due to the commutative property. So here, our final answer, 4.5 times 2 is 9 times, and then we know our exponent rule would be 10 to the 5 plus 3, because that's how we multiply exponents with the same base. So times 10 to the 8th, and that is already in scientific notation in this problem, so that would be our final answer. Now division is very similar. All we need to do is sort of rearrange the division problem into two chunks, and then we can apply the laws of exponents. So what we're doing here is we're sort of just rearranging it to see 8 divided by 4 times 10 to the 6th divided by 10 to the 3rd. Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2 times, and then when we divide exponents, remember we are subtracting them. So my final answer here would be 2 times 10 to the 3rd power. And again, that is in scientific notation already, so I'm all set. With this next example, there is going to be one additional step. So, of course, I'm going to rewrite this as 3 times 7 and 2 tenths times 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 2nd. Okay. 3 times 7 and 2 tenths is 21 and 6 tenths, 21.6 times, and again, when we use our exponent rules, we're just going ahead and adding the exponents when it's the same base. So 21 and 6 tenths times 10 to the 6th. Now, this is equivalent to the correct answer, but that's not currently written in scientific notation. In order to write it in scientific notation, this number here has to be something between 1 and 10. So I'm going to go ahead and bump this back 1. So it's 2 and 16 tenths times 10 to the 7th. And then from here, we can go ahead and expand it out into standard form. So I'm going 7 spaces to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for a grand answer of 21,600,600. All right, and let's just go ahead and try number 3 just to be sure we understand the division rule. So again, I'm kind of splitting it apart in my mind as 9 divided by 3 times 10 to the 9th divided by 10 to the 7th. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 10 to the 9th divided by 10 to the 7th, we're subtracting, is 10 to the 2nd. And that is in scientific notation. And then to go ahead and bump that to standard form, we're just adding the 2 zeros. All right, thanks for watching our video on multiplying and dividing with scientific notation.